Hi, I'm Gwenllian and I'm one of the medical students in Bangor who does the C21 North Wales course, and I did medpharm or medical pharmacology in Cardiff beforehand and really enjoyed. I'm now in the second year here, which is the third year curriculum on the C21 course. I chose to come to Bangor because I did my first degree in Cardiff and I wanted to change. It's a nice part of the world and there's nowhere where you can go up a mountain and go to the sea at the same day really, so it's nice to come to a very outdoors place and see a lot of medicine and see a lot of the outdoors as well. The best thing about the course here in Bangor is that it's a smaller course. There's only 21 of us in our year, and you quickly become friends with all the people in the course, and we get to know each other really well. You also have a really close relationship with the staff and the admin side of the year, and also the lecturers and the doctors who teach you. That's really nice to see them then on placement, and you know their name, and then they kind of know your face as well. My other favourite thing is that the local area population speaks a lot of Welsh, and as it's my first language, I really enjoy doing my consultations in Welsh and seeing patients and talking to them in Welsh. What I like about Bangor is that it's close to the sea, it's close to the mountains, and there's so much more to do in between as well. It's a small town, but also it's got everything that you need, from the university to shopping to everything in between. And there's also really nice views from the lecturers, from the lecture theatres, and also from different parts of where you're placement. I'm in Cardiff on placement, and it's a really nice part of the world. The main placement you get in my year currently is the year-long placement in GP. As I said, I'm in Cardiff and I really enjoy seeing people, doing their phone calls at the minute on the phone, and you get to join the team and you become a really important part of the GP team in assessing patients and seeing them throughout the day. We also spent a month in hospital seeing kind of the A&E side and the ITU side of it, which was really great because there's certain things you won't see in GP, and it's really important to kind of get experience of that as well. And there are also opportunities to go away abroad, and these include Spain and France and kind of further afield as well, including your elective, which often is the first thing that people think about when they think about studying medicine. And also, there's also local areas, so you can study in Wrexham, Glenllian and in Gwenllian, which is all brilliant hospitals and lots of people willing to teach. I've personally joined triathlon and Marrow as societies, and I know other people have also joined Gaelic football, rugby, football and other sports. It's an opportunity to make friends that aren't doing medicine, and you can socialise with them, have fun with them, and take your mind away from medicine for a while, which is really nice as well. Just to add, I'm a really outdoorsy person, and I came to Bangor because I really like the outdoors, and also the medicine's great. There's lots of good teachers on the wards and in the GPs, and it's really nice to get to speak to patients and also learn medicine and get outdoors at the end of the day.